You are going to love 2015 Encore. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.